Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set press volume key to control system volume on Samsung Galaxy A02 camera. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. In camera, go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. In camera settings, okay, in useful feature section, you can see the shooting methods. Okay, tap this. In shooting method, you can see the press volume key to, and okay, to set the press volume key to control system volume on your Samsung Galaxy A02 camera, you'll have to do is tap this. And the pop-up show, okay, you can see the option. Okay, you'll have to do is select the control system volume. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set press volume key to control system volume on Samsung Galaxy A02 camera. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.